To enter Manage Mode, press the Function button, followed by Setup Mode, Manager Mode, your operator and your PIN number. Once in Manager Mode, choose System Data. In System Data, you will find the Department Editor. In here, we can create new, give our new department its own ID number, in this case number 9, and input a description of our department. In this example, we're using the word wholesale. Once completed, press Save. Within System Data, you will also find the Message Editor. In here, you can choose to create new messages. In this example, we will search for Category 14, which is the Sales Message category. Once it's highlighted, ensure you press Tick. Once you've entered the Sales Message category, you can then choose New to create your new sales message. Give your message the next available number, in this case 3. Then you can type in your sales message information. In this example, keep refrigerated. Once you've completed your message, press the tick key to accept. Ensure you press Save before you exit. Within System Data, you will find the Product Editor. To create a new product, firstly, choose the department, enter your new product number, and select New. At this point, you'll be led to the first question. Choose Edit and type in the description of your product. When you press Tick, you'll be led to the Text 1 area. This is your label description. In here, you can choose Style, which allows you to change the size of your font. Once you start typing, you will see the size your font will appear on your label. Text 2 area can be used for ingredient information. You can then enter the price of your product, whether your product is weighed or non-weighed, in this example by count, non-weighed. You can choose the label format of your product. You can choose the barcode format of your product. You can give your product its EAN code and type in any TARE value that needs to be deducted. The Date 1 offset will allow you to change the number of shelf life for your product, in this case 7. Date 2 can also be used should your label format support it. You can choose a traceability scheme if one's created. You can also choose the tax rate for this product. You can choose a net weight value should you wish, and a storage message should you wish. In this example, we use Keep Refrigerated, as this is the one we've previously created. You can also choose a group if you've created them within the scale. Once completed, press Save before you exit. You may wish to create stored tears. To do this, go to the tear editor, choose New, give your container an ID, in this example 5 is the next available number, give your container a description, and enter the weight of your tear, in this case 10 grams. Once completed, press Save.